Hello parents. Today let us talk about how to inculcate a hobby in your child. The first thing that we need to ask ourselves is, why do we need to introduce a hobby to your child? When a child is engaged in a hobby, the child is more connected to himself or herself. The child is in the present moment, in the now, with the mind, body, soul put all together, because when the child is engaged in his or her favorite activity, the child loses sense of time and space. This is the state where the child gets immense sense of fulfillment and also a renewed source of energy. And that is the reason each and every child and also parents need to inculcate a hobby. Now, how do we inculcate this hobby in our children? There are 5 simple, easy things that you can do as parents to inculcate hobby in a child. The first thing that we need to do as parents is introduce the child to a variety of skills, experiences, or things, which means ensure that the child is engaged in a physical activity like a sport form, or is engaged in some kind of art form like drawing or music, or to some other simple things or experiences that the child likes. Now, by introducing the child to a variety of things around him or her, there are chances that the child might develop interest on 1 or 2 things or experiences. But as parents, remember, don't be biased while you're introducing these experiences to children. The reason being is, as parents, we definitely want our children to engage in activities that we have done as children. And so we could be a little biased in introducing things that we have done as parents. Also, sometimes we tend to introduce things which are our unfinished business, which means we always wanted to do that as children, but we could not do that, and hence we are introducing that to our children. As parents, just be vigilant and a little more conscious about things that you introduce to children. The second thing that we need to remember is, the moment the child takes interest in a particular thing and continues to action upon that particular thing, experience, or skill set, introduce the other things that match up to this interest. Which means, if the child has picked up on music, it is a good time to introduce the child to a musical instrument, and maybe to a different dance form, or to a different music form. With this, the child will be able to select one thing that interests him or her. The third thing that we need to do as parents is give enough of guidance, support, and tools required to pursue the hobby. Also, make sure that the environment is really encouraging for the child. The fourth thing that we need to do as adults is be there physically when the child is engaged in the hobby. Just your physical presence at the beginning will give enough support to the child to pursue the hobby. Last, and the fifth and the most important thing that we need to do as parents is ensure that the child takes some amount of time, or dedicates some amount of time for the hobby, and the child should give his or her 100%. So encourage the child to give it all to his or her hobby. With this, we will develop perseverance in children. But there is a word of caution. As parents, remember, do not go overboard on the hobby, or do not overwhelm the child or pressurize the child to pursue the hobby. Also, respect if the child shows a dislike in the hobby and shows interest in some other hobby. And the most important thing is, please encourage the little efforts put by the child. Hope your child finds the hobby that interests him or her, and you have a happy parenting.